Hey everybody, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this golden skull. Stick around and find out. So this is the bag of cement, or the quick setting thin set that I'm going to use. Our skull here, our skull mold. Now I already had the mold made a while ago. I used some hot glue and a plastic skull from the dollar store. For the consistency of the thin set, it has to be less than peanut butter thickness, but not too liquidy, in order for it to dry in a fast manner. Okay, now that it's fully dried, I am going to spray it with some gold spray paint here, just to seal it. As you can see, it's doing pretty good. Now I wanted to add some stain to make it look like it's rustic, or it's been in a tomb or whatever for a long time, rusty and all that. So my plan is to get some stain, rub it on, and wipe it off. Now with the stain, you can't mess this part up. It's really easy, and you just have to dip your finger in or a rag into the stain and apply it. Then simply take it off with a rag or a paper towel, but be wary, as the paper and the rags that are covered in stain are flammable and must be disposed of properly. I always throw my rags into a tin bucket. Alright, that skull turned out pretty good. However, there are still some imperfections here and there. Some of the teeth didn't show through. Some parts of the mold had holes in them, and I had to fill them, and that reflected in the mold, where you could see some of the holes in the skull caused by the mold. It turned out really good regardless. I love the gold. I love the patina look of it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.